our manufacturing suite comprises of multiple modules that we can choose to add or include in the project. So we have the manufacturing order, where we create the BOMs and process the MOs. Manufacturing lot, if lot and serial tracking is required within Sage 300. Production planning is the MRP planning module. So MRP referring to material requirement planning. We also have the option for shop floor control, where we are recording the time entries or the shop times of the operators on the floor. So imagine operator 1 using machine 1 to work on job 1 to produce 10 pieces of item A. So that's a job card or job time entry, and we will be recording it in Sage as well. And then lastly, we also have a quality control module, because obviously for a manufacturer, quality is very important. This quality control module will cover both the purchase side, so raw materials coming into Sage can go through a quarantine step and be inspected, pass, fail, or scrap, and then we would be able to also indicate the test results for audit trail purposes. So the same can be done on the manufacturing side. So when something is produced, whether it's a semi-finished good item or a finished good item, it can go through quality control and then only be available for usage once it has passed QC or QA. So that's essentially what manufacturing suite would entail.